Hi, welcome all. We are going to see how to mark our asset geometry in the map, maximize that map. Mm, First, see all of the available tools: search tool, geolocate tool, polygon tool, line tool, point tool, circle tool, modify feature, move feature, snapping grid. Okay. That search and geolocate tool to navigate specific place in our map. Uh, Search tool, here we type my place. It will give an option, select appropriate place. It will navigate to that place. Second, geolocate tool. This tool will navigate you to the current position of your place, but it will work by uh, getting location feature from GPS device in your device. If you didn't enable that GPS GPS or a location, it will navigate to that place already recorded in your device or a older GPS record or cellular data. But in my Microsoft Windows, it's saved that older records of, so it navigate to another country. Okay, can disable it by clicking that geolocate device. So it's not my region, so I'm going to my region. Okay, you can draw up a closed geometry using polygon tool and a circle tool. It will give an area. It will give a area, give area of that geometry, but you don't use a line tool to draw a polygon or a shape. It won't give a area of that specific place. It only give length of that place, uh, means that perimeter. So mm, and so you can use the point tool to mark a tree or a landmark on your farm. Circle tool to draw a circular bed or a water tank, like that geometries. Modify tool used to modify already drawn shapes, but you can't modify that circle using that modify feature. Move tool used to you move already drawn shape to the new location. Snapping grid give a row and column reference points on the map layer. So first we are using polygon to draw our field. You should finish that, close the area by clicking end point on starting point. Otherwise it won't reflect. Uh, okay, like that. Okay, rough sketch you can delete by this tool. So you can draw a irrigation line using the point tool, the line tool. This is our irrigation line. On the end point, you double click to finish that line. So it finished. Here on a specific notch tree is there, so I select this point to mark that notch tree. So we can draw a circular bit on this, but I couldn't get correct radius here. Most of the time we have the radius of the circle. So I just enable the snapping grid. I only need a 2 by 2 snapping grid. Then once you enable, you should select two reference point for showing that snapping grid orientation. So I'm just clicking that two points in my line. This will give a reference points, 2 by 2 reference point. Now I remove that already drawn circle. Now I name a circle. This is 2 feet, 6 feet, 2 feet, 6 feet, 8 feet. Okay. Okay. Then you can modify that line using this modify tool. Now I just adjust that line to the specific place. This can done by this modify tool. Also I can move this circle to my land location, means my field. Click that circle to highlight that circle and then grab that circle and move to the specific place. Okay. You can disable the snapping grid by clicking again that snapping icon. Okay, these are the tools available in FarmOS map. This used to you can draw any geometry on your farm. Thank you all.